वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक मेजरमेंट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। जैसा कि लॉर्ड कैल्विन ने भी कहा है कि अगर आप कोई चीज़ सोचते हो और उसे मेजरमेंट के बाद नंबर्स के रूप में अगर तुम एक्सप्रेस करते हो, इसका मतलब है कि उस समथिंग के बारे में कुछ तुम जानते हो। अगर तुम उसे नंबर्स के रूप में एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हो, इसका मतलब ये है कि आप उस चीज़ के बारे में उतनी जानकारी नहीं रखते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। फिजिकल क्वांटिटी it is defined as the quantities which can be measured are called physical quantity. Physical quantities. For example, length, mass, time, density, area, volume, etc. Here we have written the mixed physical quantity. Among these, some ones are the basic quantity and few ones are the derived quantity. We will discuss about fundamental quantity and derived quantity later on. Now we will discuss about the magnitude. Magnitude of physical quantity. Magnitude of physical quantity means we have to measure the magnitude of any physical quantity in terms of number, and that requires numerical value and unit. Here n is the numerical value and u is the unit here. For example, mass of an object equals to, suppose, 2 kg. Here 2 is the numerical value here and kg is the unit here. If we want to express kg into gram, then surely we can write here 2000 gram. Here kg is the unit, then numerical value will be 2. If gram is the unit, then numerical value is 2000. It is obvious from here that whenever a smaller will be the unit, then greater will be the numerical value, and if bigger will be the unit, then a smaller will be the numerical value. In this way, we can say that n and u are reciprocal to each other. Next, we will discuss that what are the parameters to express the magnitude of physical quantity. Parameters. Parameters to express the magnitude of physical quantity. First will be numerical value, and second will be the unit. बच्चों एक चीज ध्यान में रखना है, यूनिट स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए, ये ट्रेडिशनल नहीं होना चाहिए जैसा कि पहले अर्लियर टाइम्स में हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते थे। हमारे जो एंसेस्टर्स से इस्तेमाल करते थे, वह यूनिट प्रैक्टिस में नहीं होना चाहिए. Nowadays the selected unit should be the standard, not traditional. Unit. One thing I want to clear that ट्रेडिशनल यूनिट क्या है? ट्रेडिशनल यूनिट क्या है? ट्रेडिशनल यूनिट को हम अर्लियर यूनिट भी कह सकते हैं. अर्लियर यूनिट, अर्लियर मतलब कि जो पहले एंसेस्टर्स के द्वारा इस्तेमाल किए जाते थे, जैसे हैंड स्पैन. हैंड span means hand span. This length means distance between the tip of our thumb and distance between the tip of our little finger. This is called hand span. And arm length. Sorry, here the spelling of arm length, ARM, will be only here, arm length. Arm length means arm length. This will be the arm length here. Arm length means distance between the tip of middle finger and elbow point here. This is the arm length here. Etc. Hand span, arm length and pace and many more were the traditional unit which were used by our ancestors. That's why nowadays we will avoid to use the traditional unit. We will use the only standard unit to represent the magnitude of any physical quantity. Okay? That's all, children. Thank you very much.